back. Election preparations in Maharashtra, and Home Minister Amit Shah held a meeting of the Mahayuti in Mumbai. The key ruling alliance meet ahead of the elections on seat distribution. Eknath Shinde, Ajit Pawar and Devendra Fadnavis all attended the meeting, and at the meeting, the Home Minister assured leaders of the Mahayuti that everyone's preference and opinions would be considered as on the distribution of seats, and the final discussion is likely in Delhi during the next meeting. And Amit Shah also meeting with all the leaders said that no one should make any sort of public statements against one another. Earlier we spoke to Radhika for more details on this meeting.
He had a BJP core committee meeting that happened last night along with the BJP leaders, post which of course he went for Ganpati Darshan to both Devendra Fadnavis's residence as well as to iconic Lal Bagh Cha Raja, something he does every year. But this time this was also a political visit, which is why he sat with not just BJP leaders but also with the leaders of Mahayuti, which include both NCP as well as Sena, the alliance partners. In fact, he held a meeting at the Mumbai airport just before he left from Mumbai. He held meetings with Devendra Fadnavis, Ajit Pawar and Eknath Shinde. It was a joint meeting along with other leaders as well. The discussions were largely on how they should stay united ahead of assembly elections, that all their opinions will be considered, their preference, all the alliance partners' preference will be considered when the seats are allocated and distributed and when candidates are also selected, and that there shouldn't be any sort of ill feeling or any ill statements that is being made of any other leaders from their alliance partners. So these are some of the suggestions and instructions given by Amit Shah to many of the leaders today. Most likely the final seat sharing decision will be taken in Delhi, where there will be many more joint meetings that will be held. Of course, this is a preliminary meeting that was conducted by Amit Shah along with several leaders of Maharashtra. Of course, he was here on a two-day visit to, for his Ganpati Darshan, and also made it political. We know for a fact that BJP is wanting more than 150 seats in the 288-seat assembly. Sena also wanting close to 100 seats, and Ajit Pawar is looking for about 70 seats. Now, how they will sort of come to a consensus as far as the seats are concerned, all that remains to be seen. But at the moment, Amit Shah trying to iron out differences among the ally partners.